bearing in the crankshaft, sorry, the big end bearing in the crankshaft, the journal through that was full of sawdust. The filter had been cut to pieces and it was just in a really, really sorry state. I think it had been used on a mill. The customer that owns it doesn't have much history on it, but it didn't have an easy life. Anyway, it's been completely rebuilt now. Case has been split, new seals, new bearings, new little end bearing, new piston, new gaskets, the whole lot, all OEM. Cleaned out the muffler, rewound the starter. There's pretty much nothing's been left a chance with it. So it's I've given it a couple of runs, so we'll give it another run and see how it goes. This is a 42-inch bar. The log is it's not going to be buried, but it'll go close. So get it going. Goes quite nicely. It's a stock standard build. The cylinder is the cylinder wasn't the original one that came with it. That was buggered, but luckily we had a good OEM cylinder in stock. There's been no porting done to it. It's still got the original carby, which doesn't have an adjustable high speed, standard coil, and it runs really well. Powers through that, which is fairly good hardwood. So yeah, I hope the owner's happy with it.